Hello, we have been presented with a challenge which is basically in HTML and CSS, and this challenge is basically a sentence div, and the question is, can you identify the problem with a container? So looking at the code, you can see there's a div class container, and here are some styles, body, display flex, and all that. But the problem is it's not evenly centered. So how can we fix this? So first of all, let me see how it looks. So we are going to open it in live server. So this is how our div container looks. They say it's not perfectly centered. So let's figure out why. So now I think that what we are going to do is we are going to add another style here for the body for the entire web page. So I'll do HTML and also I'll do body. And I'll simply give it height of 100%, margin 0, and that should fix that issue. So that is it.